Universal Office Shelving will store a wide range of media and supplies for businesses. From files to notebooks, archival boxes, and supplies, these flexible shelving units are able to be easily adjusted as your organizational needs grow and change. Universal Shelving's sleek design provides a professional look to your office with an almost unlimited number of finishes and sizes to choose from. Units are available in single-sided wall units and double-sided freestanding floor units with sizes ranging from 24 inches to 48 inches wide, 9 inches to 36 inches deep, and heights from counter high to 121 inches. Numerous optional accessories are available to customize your storage requirements, including roll-out drawers, garment rods, hanging bins and hooks, media shelves, and bin fronts. There are several types of security doors to choose from, including large roll-up doors that can span up to 12 feet and cover several units. The roll-up doors can be operated manually, with a keypad, or with a remote control to maximize the security of your stored materials. The shelving's construction offers more storage flexibility that uses less space while providing quicker accessibility to stored materials when compared to lateral file storage cabinets. And best of all, Universal Shelving comes with a lower investment outlay. If you really want to maximize your floor space, sliding shelving units can be added in front of your static storage units. The front sliding shelving units roll side to side on tracks to allow access to back units. As many as 3 rows of sliding shelves can be added in front of the stationary shelves. Consider this. Save time, space, and money by placing inactive materials in the back stationary shelves and active materials in the front sliding units to reduce off-site storage costs and consolidate materials into less floor space. For more information on Universal Shelving, call us at 1-800-803-1083 or visit us on the web at www.southwestsolutions.com.